Hey guys, another lock from my naughty bucket. This one is a brinks with a long shackle. I can't completely remember, but I think I have only opened one brinks before, and I want this in my collection actually. So I want to see if I can finally get it open. Hopefully, hopefully I can get this open as easily as the last lock, but I don't think that will happen. Either way, we will try. Sorry, I'm not speaking much. I'm just concentrating. That's just a general thing, and my leg is itching. Okay, let's just reset. And I actually think I want a deeper hook when I'm working from the bottom on this one. Did I even show the key, actually? That's how the key looks. I think I forgot to do that. A little click on 2. A little click on 3. And on 5. And my pick turned in my fingers there. And again. Little tiny click on 3. And 5. 1, 2. Pin 4, I have not said anything yet. I am pretty sure I overset 2 there. But let's see. 5. Yeah. Reset. Four got a click this time. Or gave a click, I mean. I felt a little bit of a turn there on 5. Oh, and more on 1. Oh yeah! I'm on fire right now with the naughty bucket locks. Haha. All right. That was not so bad. Yet again. Why haven't I not been able to open that? Either way, thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.